How often have you made a grocery run only to take a sharp left turn and hear onions, apples, milk, and eggs go flying all over your cargo area? It's time to say so long to tumbling items and distracting spills with WeatherTech's CargoTech. Let's take a closer look at this unique solution that fits nearly any trunk or cargo area. Here's how it works. Each piece works either individually to contain something small against the sides of your cargo area, or as a whole to contain larger or multiple items. I wedge two against my golf clubs and they don't budge. The grippy underside keeps everything in place on either carpeted mats or WeatherTech cargo liner for the ultimate protective pairing. CargoTech is perfect for containing coolers, gym bags, sporting equipment, luggage, groceries, the list goes on. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, so you can trust the quality and durability. So keep things secure while you drive with the innovative power of CargoTech.